My car. I designed my car. Look at it. It's the Dominate. So
The
we go.
denominator's so many.
My Dominator is a red guy. Where's the tornado? No.
Bro, wait. Don't move. Bro, why did you make yourself fly? You know what? I'm gonna chase you while you're flying.
Underglow.
Do you hear my sirens?
No, what? No, what?
Because I hear my sirens in you.
Oh my god!
Bro, where are you apparently?
Mawala.
Apparently, I'm flying 90
Huwag ka
degrees.
munang magsalita, di ko hayaan.
Bro, can you stop?
Mawala.
Bro, where are you? Literally. I'm trying to chase you.
I'm literally right behind you. You know where Did you saw me disappear?
Bro, I'm just saying, where the niggers are you?
I'm on the tornado. Wait, I mean not. I'm driving around. Look, I'm actually driving around. Can you see me?
Bro, I see you. Bro, you're under arrest for flying.
Bro, what did the fly do?
Bro, you're under arrest for flying. I'm coming up you. I'm coming. Oh my god. Bro just went flying.
Oh, the derby unlocked. Let me go to the dealership and find my derby. Where's my derby?
Okay guys, I'm gonna huli some guy so I can huli him. Bro, can you just appear on my screen?
No, what?
I'm going to the settings to
Where's the Herbie? Where's my derby at? Where's my derby? Liin kong bibigay lahat pati itong aking mundo.
Box ng tablet mo.
Halika't sumayos habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo. Bro, where's my derby?
Trying to find my derby. Go to the 9 square dots. You will find it eventually.
I didn't saw my derby.
Okay, bro, just drive the normal one.
Where's the derby?
What? The green one?
Yeah.
It's like the normal car. A normal car, not a small car.
The derby. I cannot even see him. I cannot even see it here.
Bro, I'm gonna search up. I'm gonna go. You're telling me the car is called I think you're
No way, I just unlocked. No way, I just unlocked a Lamborghini.
Bro, I'm just waiting for you.
I do not see a derby.
Then don't drive it. Just drive your normal car. Please, just drive your normal car.
Oh
Don't cry
my
out at
god, I
Derpy.
just scammed. I just got scammed, bro. I actually just got scammed, bro.
Okay, let's choose Caleb. I'm a police. Police.
Never in a million years. Never in a
I'm gonna
million.
chase you. I'm gonna chase
Never
you.
in a million
3, 2,
years.
1, go.
Never in a million years.
Bro, you're under arrest.
No.
Stop resisting.
No.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Ah!
No! Oh my god.
The tornado stop. Yo. Let's go. Finally, the tornado stopped.
Oh god. Bro, tornado! Tornado! Tornado, yes! Tornado, yes! 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 What? What?
Bro, what? I'm gonna enable the tornado.
What?
I'm gonna enable the tornado.
What?
So you can fly.
What? What?
Bro, don't respawn. Don't respawn yet.
Why?
What happens if I enable the tornado in front of you?
Do it.
I'm gonna do it. And 3, 2, 1.
Nothing is happening. Like,
Look up. Look up. You see something?
I do not see something. The car is blocking it. Let me get out of the car, bruh.
Just jump out of your car. You'll eventually see it.
I see it. I see it, but it's not grabbing it.
Okay, now the final question. Let me chase you.
Oh!
What? What happened? Bryson, what happened? Bryson, what happened? Bro, you eventually even listening to me? Bro?
Galing ng prank ko.
Steve! Are you Steve?
What? 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 I'm already speaking.
Okay. Let me chase you. I'm a police. That's what police do.
Bye-bye.
What do you mean bye-bye?
I'm literally right behind you, by the way.
Where?
I got on the tornado.
Bro, are you serious? Right now, my brother. What?
Do you even hear it? Or are you just blind?
I don't see you. Bro! You just got me!
I saw your cup na no.
Flying!
What? What? Oh my! I went flying too!
I'm gonna find you eventually.
I'm on the tornado. I'm on the tornado. Ah!
Hindi kanya maririnig. Ganyan lang. Huwag na kayo mag-camera para hindi ako malobat.
Wait, I'm here. Wait. Wait.
Bro, what?
Ah!
Sige, tapos mamaya, papatay niya, iiyak ka.
I was been flying with you.
I'm literally on the I'm literally in the tornado right now.
Day 1 searching criminals.
Shit, paano kaya ayusin ko?
Sana
Wait,
na
parang
mahirabanan mo hanggang sa huli butan ka.
Daddy, can you hear me?
Kinuhirmay.
Bro, where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm on the lobby.
Are you serious right now, Paprara?
Just go in the lobby.
Did you know there's so many crashers on the lobby? I'm going to the lobby.
I'm not in the lobby. I just spawned right now.
Bro, are you freaking serious?
What? Just chase me. Just chase
We're
me.
in the lobby, and you said you were not in the lobby. Now.
Ow! I just crashed my Lamborghini. No.
Oh my god, I just hit a jackpot. Look at...
Stop being a goofball. Stop being goofy. Stop being a goofball. Do you see me?
Bro, kill yourself right now, kill yourself. On the...
Oh my god, I crashed.
Reset, not respawn.
Reset. I'm gonna go into tornado. I'm gonna go to the tornado right now. No. Oh yes. I'm on the tornado. I'm on the tornado. Sir, yes sir.
Bro, you're just farming. Or you're just farming.
I'm on your farming. Another farming up.
Bro, Intel has stay right now.
I'm on a tornado. I saw your car for a bit. For a little second right there.
Hey, look, tara. Pili ka, just tornado.
Just tornadoes. One.
Okay, let's play it then. Bye! Let's play it.
Yeah!
Bro, we have been calling like 1 hour.
No, like 2 hours.
I'm gonna go to the just tornado 1 and let's see.
Miller Garina's playing Chili Pepper 1v1.
Bro, what the fuck?
What? What?
Bro, what? I don't know why he's playing that, but at least he plays something.
Yeah, he's actually playing Chili Pepper 1v1.
Tara! Chili Pepper 1v1! I'm already in. Just tornado.
I know how to play Chili Pepper 1v1. Just put the chili pepper on their mouth. That's true. That's how to play Chili Pepper 1v1.
Okay, let's see if the tornado's a girl.
That's
A girl.
true. That's
Okay. Bro, there's no, oh my god, it's a AF5. Bro, let's start
Wag mo
chasing now.
nabubukasan
Go,
galing
start
to.
chasing. Storm River.
what?
Spawn your vehicle.
I must spawn the Titanic.
Okay, let's go.
I already spawned the Titanic, bro.
Go. I'm gonna check on the radar.
Wait!
It's big.
I crashed already.
Bro, be fast. Be fast. Be fast. Okay. Go to the left. Left.
How?
Left. This is left.
I already know
By
my...
the way, you can drive off roads. Okay, I see the tornado. I see it. I see
Let's
it.
go to the tornado!
Bro, where's the tornado apparently? Oh,
Apparently
oh my God.
here.
Okay, go deploy.
Oh my God.
Wait. Before we deploy,
There's no deploy in my car.
Okay. Okay, Caleb, I
Okay,
think this is
don't-
the perfect spot for
Okay,
deploying. Bro, deploy. Here.
Deploy.
Okay, deploy. I'm
Deploy?
deploying right now.
It deployed.
Okay. Heavy pro.
It deployed. What do I do now?
Let's wait for the tornado to come. Look, it's like close to us.
Oh yeah. Okay.
It's...
My...
Oh my God! Baby.
Oh my God, that's a big old tornado.
Bro, I think you might get lofted. It's an EF5.
You said spun a
Oh my
vehicle.
God, bro, your car is shaking. Oh no, you're flying! You're flying! Bro, you're flying! Bro, you died.
What do I even spun?
Bro, I did not spawn this. It spawned randomly.
What?
I have to warn others. I have to warn the people. And
What? Did you spawn it? Oh my
no,
God.
bro, you can talk to me. Just saying.
Bro,
Bro, it was like 300 miles per hour tornado, and it went flying. And I went flying.
bro, did you spawn them? Did you spawn it?
Bro, I'm removing the tornado. I'm removing it.
What?
Yeah. Ano
I...
yung tatay mo daw, Caleb?
Okay.
Bro, I'm gonna spawn
Did
the
you
tornado.
did you spawn that vehicle or not?
Spawn EF5.
Did you spawn that vehicle? Did you
Bro, let's...
did you spawn the vehicle?
Nah.
Bro, then it spawned it for you. It spawned it for you, bro. Oh my God, bro.
I'm gonna spawn the Storm River.
Ano to?
I hope that's
I'm
okay.
never gonna play this again.
Dalawa pa talaga.
Bro, where are you? Reset character now.
This is my last time playing this, like actually.
Lagyan mo dito sa ilalim.
Let me go here. Wait! Gonna go in the front.
Oh, Bruce, just spawn a Storm River. It will be cool.
That's a storm river.
Did I spawn the tornado? Let me see in the radar.
Oh, you spun the storm river.
Oh, I spawned the... But there's so many tornadoes.
Bro! Bro, why did you spawn the storm warrior?
Ano mga shorts?
This is a storm river, not a storm warrior.
Oh.
Dog, there's so many tornadoes.
No!
Ang galing ko nga ito.
Bro,
Oh, God.
you actually spawned a storm river.
What? It doesn't. Promise it won't get lofted. Oh, bro, we are close up to
Doon lang.
F3 tornado. We won't got.
That looks like a jelly spinning around.
It looks like I'm so stupid.
Oh my God.
Deploy. Be slow. I'm gonna.
Pare mo muna
You already deployed it. Bro, we're gonna go in the tornado. W. Oh,
I'm.
frick.
Okay, bro. I think we are cooked. We might
Can
be
I borrow your
lofted.
phone?
Never
Para may
cook.
cellphone mo.
We're dead, bro. We are so dead. We're so dead. We're so dead.
Cannot even see anything. It's so foggy.
I know,
Because it's
but in my
good.
screen it's
Not
white.
in a
It's
way,
red.
okay.
In my screen it's red.
Mine is like gray.
Bro, go to settings and go.
Where is
change it to
settings? Where is settings?
red. Go to the show sidebar on down.
The show sidebar settings.
And change the fog to red.
Babe.
How to even change, bruh? Tornado ko.
Just for. Oh my god! Bro, we went
It's
flying.
now red. It's now red. The tornado's red and now it's red.
Bro, we just died.
That was the best one yet. Wait, let me stop. Wait, I'm gonna spawn the storm river.
Bro, let's.
I spawned the
We are
storm
the
river.
We are the Storm River team.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Bro, everything is red. It's like a satellite.
Because someone is a satellite. Your friend is a satellite. Wait, I cannot drive this right. It's so heavy.
I'm gonna deploy, bro. I'm gonna deploy.
Deploy what?
Bro, the tornado is close. Deploy immediately. Deploy immediately. Bro. Bro, bro, I cannot even speak.
Oh, deploy. I deployed it.
Where are you?
I deployed the storm river. I deployed the storm river.
Where are you?
Right, almost like so close to the tornado. I'm there.
Close to the big
Mamaya mo na
tornado.
ganyan kapag natanggal.
The red tornado.
The big tornado. The EF5. Not the small ones. The EF5. Tornado.
The EF5.
Yeah. If it's big, it's called EF5, but it's kind of small EF4, but it's kind of.
I don't know if I can move. I'm literally like right beside the tornado. Now can I move? It's like moving away.
Bro, apparently, where are you?
Look at my screen.
Bro, I saw you earlier and you disappeared suddenly. Where did you go?
I'm like, bro. Do you not see that? Wait, I'ma do it. Wait.
Bro, I'm close to the big tornado.
I'm here.
We're best friends.
Aga? Yo? Yo, I might be flying tomorrow. Oh,
I'm here. I'm actually here, bro.
No.
Do I go to the what is it? FE5?
EF5.
EF5.
Yeah, you should go on it. Bro, the EF5 is so fast. Genuinely, it's so fast.
I'm gonna go on the EF5 right now.
Okay, bro, I'm gonna be flying tomorrow.
You're never gonna fly in a million years.
O, diba, akala ko pupunta tayo sa LA.
No! No! I'm flying!
I'm outside of the map. And I follow the map.
Oh,
Okay, bro. Reset. Let's meet at the spawn. Bro, look at that giant. Damn. Bro, look at that giant. Look behind you.
I already look behind me, by the way.
It's a giant.
It's a giant.
I'm gonna...
Oh,
Okay, bro.
this is mine.
nilagay mo ang mga shorts sa ilalim.
Do I deploy right now? Deploy immediately. Like actually deploy immediately.
Oh, wait.
Ako na yung coach ko dito.
Oh, wait.
Go away, tornado. Go away, tornado. Please, go away, tornado.
Bro, I'm gonna be the scanning. I'm gonna be the scanner.
Never gonna talk about that ever again.
Okay, bro. Should I spawn another EF5?
Yun.
That's not a EF. Let's go.
I think that is yes.
Undeploy. The tornado's not here anymore.
Go. Go. Another new tornado form.
I think I want to go again to thing. EF5.
Where's the tornado? I will go to my radar. Where is it? Bro, it's heading for Pant Life.
Where are you at? Driving around.
Bro, why did you turn behind? It's on forward. Go.
I'm on the houses right now.
Oh my God.
Oi! The tornado is like 300 away from us. I
Bro,
calculated that.
where are you at though, bro?
Oh, it's a mega wedge. I see the tornado. It's a mega wedge.
It's a Omega Witch.
Oh, it's a mega wedge.
Nando, bro. Is it actually an Omega Wedge?
Oh, why did... Look! Did you see it?
No, what?
You didn't see it?
I see it now. No, deploy. I see it.
I'm gonna be the armadillo. Bro, it's like an infection. Everything is red.
Bro. It's not grabbing me. It's actually not grabbing me. It's never gonna grab me for a million years. It's not gonna grab me.
Bro, we're so close to the mega wedge.
Kasya ba?
Me too. I'm actually so close to the Omega Witch.
Oh my God, I'm so dead. I might fly away.
Bro, did you deploy your car?
Yeah,
I deployed mine.
but I'm so close to the tornado. I
Me,
might die.
it's going away from me.
I'm jumping. It's gonna pull my car. Oh my God, my car just got eaten.
You just wasted some light resources.
No. Wait lang yung switch.
Apparently, a mega wedge has banned a satellite.
Oh my god, it's so close to me. Wait, is it? Bro, I found another tornado. I actually found another tornado.
I'm dead. Bro,
I found another tornado.
bro, do you see it right now?
No, I just respawned. What? But
It looks like, bro, it looks like a mutant tornado.
mutant? Wait, there's
Yeah.
new ones. There's mutant.
If it's a red, it's a mutant.
What,
You're
a
so dead.
mutant?
Wait.
Mutant. Bro, I cannot even
Wait,
pronounce
I'm
it.
gonna do the reader. One of them is actually like a tornado is close to the factory.
Bro, I'm gonna deploy, I'm gonna deploy.
Nahulog.
Okay, this is okay. This is now okay.
This is the worst.
Oh my god, bro, I'm dead. It's going after me. I cannot move. Oh. Bro,
No,
a tornado is heading for
over.
you. A tornado is heading for you.
Gusto mo
Bro, I'm not blind. A tornado is heading for you, literally.
I already deployed. I already deployed. It's the Omega Wedge.
Bro, I'm dead.
It's the Omega Wedge or the EF5. It's the Omega Wedge. It's the Omega Wedge or either the EF5. Nah.
Bro, there's so many EF5.
Bro, the storm river, normal one, not from just tornadoes 2, is actually the best storm river. Like actually.
Bro, look at the radar. I'm not lying. There's 2 tornadoes.
The EF5 and the Omega Wedge.
There's 2 EF5s. Not gonna lie.
I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
We are so cool. We are so cool.
I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Oh my god, I'm actually cooked.
Bro.
Go.
Do you see me?
Yeah. I see your shield. I see your blue shield. Where's the EF5?
Apparently the EF5 is so far away. Let's
Bro.
go on it. Let's go.
Bro.
Let's go.
Let's
go.
Wait, I'm trying to drive. It's not working. I forgot it's
Deploy.
I forgot it's undeployed.
Oh my god, it's so big. It's so big. It's so big.
What? What's big? Not in a weird way. What's
Bro.
big? What is big?
Apparently there's 3 EF5s. Look at the radar. Not lying. God.
I'm gonna go to it right now. No, I see the fog.
Oh my god. You're so dead. You're so... Oh my god.
I deployed it. Is it coming to us?
Bro, check on the radar.
Bro, okay.
I'm not even spawning those.
Oh my. It just upgraded to 6 EF5s. actually upgraded to 6 EF5s.
Wait, what the monkey? Is there 3?
Yeah.
Wow!
Never in a million years is this gonna happen. No way in a million different years.
Bro, this like 1, 2, 3, 4,
Bro,
5,
the
6,
fog?
7, 8 tornadoes. Look at that tornado. It's so big.
Yeah. We're cooked. We're so cooked. We are cooked as pie.
Bro, RIP to the city.
Oh my god. The Oh, something is going. Bro, the EF5 is going to us 200 miles per hour.
Bro, I spun what is it called again? Probe. I placed a probe. Let's see what it's gonna calculate.
Bro, I cannot even deploy. I cannot deploy.
Oh,
Nah, bro.
we're so cool.
We're so cool.
Apparently there's 9 EF5s.
Apparently, the EF5s is coming to us 200 miles per hour.
EF5. We're so done. We're so done.
My
Apparently
my
EF5s.
my storm river is apparently shaking right now. Is your storm river shaking?
Bro, I'm leaving. Bye. I'm flying away. I'm just gonna watch you. Just kidding. I'm not leaving you. Oh, wow. I'm gonna make you fly too. So we can watch our vehicle fly away.
Ah, my God! Fly me already! I'm going to the tornadoes! Fly me right now! Fly me! Oh my God! One tornado is going for me! Oh! I can escape! I can escape!
Oh my God, my car just went flying. Oh, this is like a virus, bro. Look at every tornado. It looks like a virus.
Like actually, it looks like a virus if it's green or red. Nah. This might be the best tornado game in the world.
There's only a low chance of so many tornadoes spawning. Genuinely, how?
By the way, I'm shaking. Was that cringe? Bro.
Oh my God, I see a car flying. Wait, let's spawn the cars. Let's spawn a car.
Storm River. I'm spawning every Storm River I can. Oh my God.
I see. Oh my God, someone just got Floa again. What did I say? Floa again?
Flow again. You meant to say again, right?
Apparently, it's heading for a city. Oh my God, it's
I'm following the tornado right now.
It's heading for Etland City.
What? Atlant City? Oh my God.
Oh, no.
By the way, I'm following the tornado. I mean, I'm inside the tornado, not in a weird way, not in a sus way too.
Bro, I'm gonna spawn my vehicle and escape the tornado.
Bro, spawn a EF5 right now.
They're running out.
Spawn an EF5 right now.
Bro, I cannot. I didn't spawn any of this. Right now, I'm gonna run for my life.
Bro, spawn an EF5 right now. Like actually, bro, spawn an
Bro,
EF5.
the tornado's chasing me. Help me. Oh my God, there's so many bones.
Boy
It's gonna
Saxy
get
Sus.
me.
Wow.
It's gonna get me. It's gonna get me, bro. It's gonna get me. It's day 2 and it's dragging me. It's dragging me. It's Dracula. Dracula, pre, Dracula.
Bro,
The
spanan.
most deadliest tornado of all time. The
Bro.
most dead.
Bro. Can you span an EF5?
Bro, okay, I'm gonna Oh, no, I'm getting looted. No.
What? What?
Oh my god.
Bro,
They're just flying.
can you give admin and private servers too?
Bro, it just killed my car.
Bro, can you give admin commands in private servers?
I think, nah.
Bruh.
I could join in your private server though. Just make one.
Okay,
Or nah.
I'm leaving and making one singular private.
Go to commands. Go to commands. Like, if you make a private server, go to the commands. Go to commands. Commands. There.
Bro, can you please stop stuttering, please?
Tiki, tiki, makati. Tiki, tiki.
Tiki, makakaliti.
Okay, go to ya.
I joined my private server.
Sugar bisa. Kepot. Oh, you forgot to allow friends.
What?
You have to
How
give
to allow friends?
You forgot to allow friends.
How to allow friends right now?
Bro,
Leave.
so easy. Leave again and go to your settings maybe.
Ano private server settings?
Yeah, there's a settings there. You can do that. I could literally change my settings. Wait! You
Actually, there's no settings.
Bro, don't worry. I can do a settings. Wait, I could add you. I could make you the server members. Okay.
Bro, where is the settings? Where's the settings? Where's the settings?
Bro, I made
Where's
you
the
a
settings
member
at?
for my private server.
Where's the
I made
settings?
you a member for my private server. Join me in my private server. I made a member.
Ito, tapon na tayo.
Bro, it didn't give me the admin.
Do you see commands?
No.
I said it to members.
Look. Just look at my touch.
I made you a member.
Look at me.
Know what? Spawn. Bro, apparently there's so many EF
Ano
files.
paglalagyan mo dyan? Mahuhulog yan ah. Kahit 3 ang payangan mo dyan.
You didn't even made me a member on your private server.
Bro, it's okay. I could spawn any EF5s.
Like, spawn it right beside us.
Bro, I cannot spawn it. Always spawn on the top of our... What is it called again?
Top of our cars. Where is the EF5s, bro?
Oh,
I know you didn't made me a member of the private server.
Bro,
There's no admin commands. I don't see
Bro, look
any
at that.
singular
Look at the
commands.
It's heading for me. It's heading for me. Please hold.
If I was on my private server, bro, I'm gonna spawn unlimited Tor EF5s.
Bro, just intercept the tornado. Let's intercept the tornado. It's big.
I'm deploying right now.
Deploy. Bro, you should spawn the blue one. It has like what is it called again?
Why the blue one, bro? The storm streamer from what is it again?
Storm River.
The storm streamer for from just tornadoes too, bro.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro.
Did you know there's different games? Just Tornado 1, Just Tornado 2. Just Tornado 2 is for like
8 years old.
fictional characters.
What do you mean? What do
Right,
you
for
mean, man?
Bro, can you... Let's make it red again.
Siksik na din dito. Ano, pupulungan mo ba ako?
Trees visible. Low detail, no. No.
Okay, ha. Oh my god, ow. Where's the tornado?
You see it?
Oh! Is that the Omega Wedge?
Nah. Can you see it? I see it far away. It's so big.
I see it. I actually see it. It's on the road. It's on the road. It's on the road. It's...
Well, I'm deploying. I'm deploying. I'm going straight to the...
Bro just got deployed.
There's a bug.
Bro, I thought you muted.
Bro, I have to reset. I have to reset my character.
Bro, by the way, the blue tornado is coming for me. I mean, it's going away because you can't buy it.
Bro, let's go to
Bakit
the...
mo dinala yung car dito?
It's so many. Let's go to
I
it.
know it's so many, bro. That's crazy, though. Bro, that's
Bro, it's
crazy.
only one. It's only one, I promise. I'm not lying, it's one.
Sama dito na lang yung sama mo.
Hindi ko alam.
Talaga, electric fan dito.
Bro, it's one. Bro, it's basically one.
One tornadoes at a time.
No, one.
One tornado. You're joking, bro. You're joking.
Oh, I'm deploying.
Deploy it right.
Tatamaan niya ng...
Deploy it right. No, like gosh, bro.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Guys, I know it's like an hour on the video, but we're still calling for 2 hours now.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What? What, man, what? What, man, what? What, man, what? What, man? What? What, man? What? Hey, what, man? What? Hey, what, man? What? What?
My storm river said bye-bye. I saw it fly away.
Ha?
Never in a million years that you're
Ba't nilaban?
get a job.
Bro, I think it's heading for me.
No way. It's heading for you, chat.
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5, 6, 7.
I'm going to you. Wait.
Doon mo na rin lagay, tabi mo dun. Sa punta, boy.
Yo, Caleb. Yo, Caleb.
Wala, ano lang, uminom ng tubig. Tawagan ni Kyrie.
Caleb,
Oh.
What?
come at me.
I'm up here. I'm stuck. Wanna see my house? It's so messy right now. Wanna see it?
Nah.
Look.
Storm chasing.
Look. You don't even fit. You cannot even fit. Oh my god.
Oh, Caleb, come to me. Only one EF4, huh? EF4 na. Come to me, come.
What?
I said come.
Okay.
Come.
I'm Andy.
Wait.
Oh my god, I'm almost full. My man. Bro. What? This is the worst car in the world.
Because it's long. There.
Mga picture lang nalalagay na nalagay ko sa loob ng maleta.
Oh my god. Are you coming? Let's go. Let's go storm chasing. I'll make you hurt. Listen to each other. If you see a tornado, deploy.
I'm just gonna go straight. Oh my god.
Plane.
Hey.
Sa punta pala, pwede ito.
Plane.
School mo, oh.
Plane, huh? Plane.
Deploy. I'm gonna deploy.
I'm gonna deploy a EF5.
Nah, it's an EF4.
He doesn't know I'm actually pranking him.
Bro, I'm gonna unfly.
There's an EF4 behind, like right beside me. That's why I deployed. It's true. It's actually true.
Oh my god, the tornado's fast.
It's actually true.
Oh shit,
Sabi mo, Day.
Ito sa bed niya.
Kaput, nesa, gobi, ya.
Lalagyan natin electric fan dito.
Gobi, ya, jaran, ya.
Sige na, babati na
Oh,
lang ito.
gobi, ya.
Sige ka na.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go fly. 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 I'm gonna go fly.
I'ma go flying in the sky. I'ma go flying in the sky. What, man? I'm gonna chase for the EF5.